wasn't for Wayne, it wouldn't be. You tatted your face.
Bugatti new boo.
You scream Suwu.
Yeah.
You bought a Bugatti.
So you can flex.
Most of the bad shit you in.
Tattoos, Suwu, Bugatti, new boo. New subject, new paper, new class, new school. New buddies, new haters, new boobs. Much later, too soon, too bad, too cool. Too hot, too lit, too high, too move. Two eyes, too view, but too blind, too bloom. Who lied to you? Two middle fingers that's up high. To whom it may consume, kaboom. Goddamn, who knew that I am the guru with voodoo that sued you? The high hand with shooters that shoot through the Iron Man and see through the comment. And I hear a diamond. I turn a goddamn into a God's plan. Go over the diagram and get to the job, man. Watch for the spy cam, sit back and watch and do not watch it. Watch hand, give me some time, man. I am the bomb, man. I am gonna swim till I come out on dry land or on a frying pan. No, we did not land on Plymouth Rock, but it landed on our land. Now I'm just buying land. Back to the block where they got more rock fans than a fucking rock band. Under a rock, man, we need a rock, man. I do what I can to keep it solid as a, you know what I'm saying, with some rock plan.
You tatted your face and changed the culture.
You changed.
You scream Suwu and them gangsters loved you.
Yeah.
You bought a Bugatti so you could flex.
So you can flex.
And most of the bad shit you in.
I started this, you just part of this. I'm the heart of this, and the heart doesn't skip. Take the heart of your, cause like Bart, you a simp, and your water don't drip, so your gardening. You just counting the money, I'm drowning in money. Like what the is the life garden this bitch? I go Mars in this bitch, watch me Arbin and for the art of this. Andy Warhol and go retarded this. You go sweet tangy, I go tartar in it. I'm a bar from this, I'm a Marvin it. You a orphan lip, if I taught you some, that's like Harvard lip. You ain't talking about shit, but you suffer this. Walking like you talking, now you walking this. I go marble moving on some marvelous. Then the spotlight too long should be darker than this. Is the Carter lip.
You tatted your face and changed the culture.
You changed.
You scream Suwu and them gangsters loved you. You bought a Bugatti so you could flex. And most of the bad shit you in.
I started this, they borrowed this, I thought of this, they thought it was it. I'm dogging it, they barking, they sit, put a in that. Which draw to look in? I brought in this shit. The starters get benched, the artists get sent, then targets get hit. $1 million smile. I sell myself short if I grin. I'm bargaining then. Apartments and shit I could park in this shit. In a foreign car that I could talk to and shit. With a cultural bitch I can talk to and shit. About the culture and shit. How I altered this shit. Tattoos, Suwu, Bugatti, new boo. Tattoos.